How to create a curtain opening reveal video intro like this here. So if you want to be able to create something like this here, and this is with the YouCut video editor app, let's get started. As always, make sure you have the latest update for the YouCut editor to get access to all the tools and features in this video here. So you want to first have your main video that you want to apply this curtain opening video intro. Then you'll go to the part that says PIP. And while you're here, you're going to go to the top section where it says materials. So go ahead and select that. Now in the materials section, you want to look for the category that has the green screen area. So you'll see where it says green screen up here, and you'll select that. And once you're here now, go down the list of all the different green screen video overlay effects. So these are all free. You don't have to pay for them. And of course, again, make sure you have the latest update. It is 2025 November at the time of this video. So just go down and it's found to the very bottom area here, this one right here. And once you select it, it will appear like this here on your video. So now that you have it like this here, with these set of tools shown here, you want to browse over until you see fill. This is going to fill up your entire video frame. Now you can move the timeline area here a little bit until you get the green. So you want to remove the green, and in order to do this, while you have the video selected, you will go over and look for chroma, this tool right here. Once this appears, this circle here, you're going to move it, and once it shows green and the pick color is green, that means it is selecting the green color, and you can adjust the strength here to remove as much green as possible. Press the check mark, and now you'll have something that looks like this here. And as a bonus tip, let's just say you want this part to play a little bit slower, not so fast. Select it. These tools will appear again, and look for the speed tool and simply just reduce the speed so that it won't be so fast. And now you'll have a much longer video overlay with the curtain opening, and you'll have something that looks like this here, revealing the video content in the background. And of course, once you save your video, it will save as that. And ladies and gentlemen, if you learned something new with the YouCut editor, like and sub.